Love me. Come love me, Gina. Come love me. Come here. Come here. Come here.
The only thing that would annoy me really is the heaviness of the earring. I don't even like wearing little earrings. Like they get like heavy.
Gina. Hey. Gina. Oh.
I mean, like even the ones that I got now.
Gina. Ow! Ow! No, she put her freaking claws in my leg. Because she wants to love me. Give you a kiss.
Look, she's making a sleepy face. See?
Just getting a scratch.
No, but she was making that face. And when she was doing this, and she went like this to her, her claws. She's gonna start nibbling. There's nothing in it, but she did that.
What was your mouth?
I don't know. You had it.
Q-top.
You like it. You like it. She likes it. Only Elsa does this sometimes, but she only wants to come love me whenever I'm drawing. She says,
I was about to come there. Was it yesterday or today? And then I was sitting here like on this, and I was like, I never got to it, so I just pushed all the stuff over there.
achoo! Oh, I thought you were going to sneeze. You just want to come over here and love me, don't you? Stupid.
We trying to wonder what's playing because it's on me. It was somebody was.
You call that kicking?
I would have just got it myself.
Hey, look, a prick. Wait, what is that?
Because she told me to keep it to her.
I know. Like you could have just picked it up and gave it to me for all that. So who can I do this?
Gina. Look, I'm recording her. Look, Angie,
She
look.
has like weird split.
Look, Angie.
Oh.
Angie, look. Oh, what? Ooh.
Just make it like an arch like this.
Hey, a black guy.
Oh yeah.
He's probably evil. He's evil. Evil. I love African American people. I get sad when they die. What? It's true. It's true. Why do you think I cry whenever they die? Look at her tail.
Oh, she's sleeping. Quit throwing her hair around, because if that goes back on his bed, he's gonna get mad at me. Oh, it's the black guy. Oh, the one who tried to kill.
No.
Kill Sam.
No, he's dead. Sam killed him.
The other black guy, the first black guy, the one he's a hunter
Oh.
too. Trying to kill that pack of vampires.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember now.
More than one black guy.